run a software as a service business and have the Facebook page for the same named as Digital Dynamics. And as you know, customers usually interact with the brands using their social media platforms. So I receive a lot of messages, and replying to each message manually can be time consuming and exhausting. But what if an automation could automatically reply to my customers and I don't have to type even a single message or the response? So I have bought an amazing automation. So now let's test it, and afterwards I will show you the step-by-step process of creating this amazing automation. So now let's move on towards my another account where I'm going to send message to this particular page named as Digital Dynamics. So here I'm landed to my another Facebook account where I'm going to send message to this page, and here I'm going to enter this message, that is, what services do you offer? And here you can see that I'm getting this response which says, great question. At Digital Dynamics, we help you get more leads and sales while automating the busy work. Our services include social media marketing, paid advertising, sales funnel creation. And here you can see that I'm successfully receiving the response. So now you can also create an automation like this, which is going to respond to all your customer inquiries received on the Facebook Messenger. And this automation is going to understand and analyze the question of your users, and the AI will provide an automated response according to the base or the prompt which you have provided to your AI. So now let me show you the process of creating this amazing automation, which is going to be very beneficial for your business. Whether you're running a service-based company or any online business, it is going to help you to reply to your Facebook Messenger messages. So right here you can see inside Pabbly Connect, I have already built in this automation. And now for creating your own automation, you just have to access Pabbly Connect. And now you might be thinking, what is this Pabbly Connect? So Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool that integrates different applications and automate your task. Now for accessing the Pabbly Connect, you have to open the new tab and type its URL, that is pabbly.com/connect, and once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account first time over the Pabbly Connect, then you can just click over this sign up free. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Connect, you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and using Pabbly Connect. And if you want to buy any of our Pabbly products, then I have bought an amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this coupon code STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on your purchase for the Pabbly. So this is your chance to get instant savings and take your business to the next level with the help of automation. And if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over this sign in. And once you finish your sign up or login, then you will be getting this all Pabbly apps page where you can see all the products provided by Pabbly. And as we are going to create an integration between different applications, then we will be accessing this Pabbly Connect app by just selecting this Access Now button. And we will be landed to the dashboard page of Pabbly Connect where you can see all these folders I have created for organizing my automations. And if you also want to do so, then you can just click over this Create a New Folder button, and here you have to provide the folder name, and if you want, you can even select the parent folder as well. But for now, I'm going to show you how you can create a workflow. So for that, we just have to click over this Create Workflow button, and here we are getting two options for selecting the workflow builder. And here we are getting two workflow builder, that is Beta, which is modern, faster and more flexible, and another one is Classic, which will provide you stable and familiar approach. So here I'm going to use this newly launched workflow builder Beta. So now let's click over this select button, and here we are getting this dialog box which is asking me to enter the workflow name. So here I'm going to enter my workflow name as Automate Facebook Messenger Replies with OpenAI, and now I'm going to select my folder as automation. Now let's click over this create button, and here we are landed to our workflow page where you might see this option of adding the trigger. And now you might be thinking, what is this trigger? So Pabbly Connect basically works on two principles, that is trigger and action. So trigger defines the application which initiate our workflow. So in this case, I want to initiate my workflow as soon as I receive a new message over my Facebook Messenger for which I have to reply. So here I'm going to select my trigger app as Facebook Messenger. So I'm going to just select this add trigger button, and now I'm going to search for my application that is going to be the Facebook Messenger. And here I'm getting this application. Now let's select the app event, which is new message sent to page. Now we just have to click over this connect button, and here we are landed to the connection page where if you want to go through your existing connection, then you can select this button of existing connection, and for building a new connection you just have to click over this add new connection, and now we just have to click over this connect with Facebook Messenger. And as I have already logged in my Facebook account, it is asking me to select it, so I'm going to just click over this continue button. And make sure to log in your Facebook account firstly for building a smoother connection. And if you haven't logged in your Facebook account, then Pabbly will firstly ask you to log in it. And here we are getting this field for selecting the Facebook page. So on my Facebook account, I have already shown you that I'm going to use this page, that is Digital Dynamics. So here I'm going to select my Facebook page as Digital Dynamics, which can be seen here. And now I'm going to select my response format as simple so that I can get the response in simple format. Now we just have to click over this save and send test request. And here you can see its status is changed to waiting for webhook response. Now for providing the webhook response, we have to do the test submission. Means we have to receive a new message over at this Facebook page. So now let's move on towards my another account where I'm going to send message to this particular Facebook page. So here I'm landed to my another account where I'm going to message this Digital Dynamics page. So I'm going to just click over this message, and now let's enter another question. So here I'm going to enter this question, that is, do you offer SEO services? And now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect. And here you can see in my Pabbly Connect, I'm successfully receiving this response, that is response say 4 seconds ago. And here you can check out that I'm getting the same message text. And here you can see this is the response which I'm receiving. So now by using this response, I'm going to generate the response or the reply by using my OpenAI. So here I'm going to add my new action app, that is OpenAI. So I'm going to just click over this add new action step button. And now let's search for my next action app, that is OpenAI, by using which I'm going to generate the Facebook Messenger responses. And here I have selected my app. Now let's select the app event as ChatGPT. Now let's click over this connect button. And here we are landed to the connection page where for building the new connection, I'm going to enter the token. So for getting the token, you have to visit this OpenAI API's key page given on the help desk. And here we are landed to this OpenAI API's key page where for creating a new key, we just have to click over this create new secret key button. And here you have to provide the name and the project name and click over this create secret key button, and your API key or the secret key will be created. But for now I already have my API token or the API key which I'm going to paste. Now let's click over the save button, and as I have clicked over the save button, my connection has been built in so smoothly. And we are getting our first field for selecting the AI model. So here I'm going to select my AI model as GPT-4, and now it is asking me to enter the prompt. So prompt basically specifies the set of instructions or the rules which we are going to provide to our OpenAI. And according to this prompt, our AI is going to generate the responses. And now here on the prompt, I'm going to enter my all business details. So now let's provide the prompt or the base according to which our OpenAI is going to respond to our customers. So here you can see this is the prompt which I have provided to my OpenAI, and this prompt consists of my business overview, the services provided by my business, and here I have entered the customer benefits as well. And in this prompt, I have also provided the plans and pricings offered by my business. And here you can see I have provided the response guidelines according to which it is going to generate the responses. And here for the language rule, I have entered reply in the same language as the user's message. Means if my user sends the message in the English language, the response should be in English language. But if my user sends the message in any other language, then the response should be in that particular language. And here I have provided the fallback handling as well. And now here in this message, after this word, when a user sends a message, so here I'm going to map the user's message. Now you might be thinking, what is this mapping? So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again. The response will be replaced as the new message will be received. Means now you don't have to change the messages again and again. The response will be automatically fetched as the new message will be received on your Facebook Messenger. So here I'm going to map the user's message which I have recently received using my Facebook Messenger. And the process of mapping is simple. You just have to select the field which you want to map, and you have to select the slash symbol. And here we are getting our previous application, that is Facebook Messenger. And here you can see this is the message text which I have recently received, which I am going to map. And according to this message, my AI will generate the response. And now we just have to click over the save and send test request button. And here you can see that I'm successfully receiving this response, and this response consists of the message content generated by my OpenAI. So here you can check out, this is the message content which we are going to send to our customers, and this message says, hello, yes, we certainly offer SEO services as part of our comprehensive digital marketing strategy. So now you can see that my AI is generating the response according to my user's question, and now you don't have to worry about your users or the customers' messages, because this automation is going to respond to all your customers' queries. And now I just have to send this response to the Facebook Messenger or my customer. So for that, again, I'm going to use my next action app, that is going to be the Facebook Messenger. So now let me search for it. And here I'm going to select this application. Now let's select the app event as send message. Now let's click over this connect button, and as we have already built in the connection for the Facebook Messenger previously, so I'm going to just select my existing connection. So I have selected this button of save, and here I'm getting all these fields. So the first field I'm getting for the Facebook page ID. So for getting the Facebook page ID, we are going to use this Facebook Messenger response, and here I'm going to map the Facebook page ID so I don't have to manually change it again and again. So here I'm going to just select this slash symbol, and here I'm going to search for the entry ID. So now let me search for it. And here you can see that I'm getting this entry ID which I'm going to map, and now we have to map the recipient's ID. So here I'm going to just map it from the response of the Facebook Messenger. So now let's search for the sender ID which can be seen here. So here I have mapped both these fields. Now for the message, I'm going to map the response generated by my OpenAI. So here I'm going to just select this slash symbol. Now from the response of the OpenAI, I'm going to map the content generated by my OpenAI, and you can modify the content by providing prompt to your OpenAI. Now we just have to click over the save and send test request, and here you can see that we are receiving the positive response. Now let's move on towards my another account and check whether we are receiving this response over there or not. So here you can see that I'm successfully receiving this response which is generated by my OpenAI. So now you have seen an amazing automation which is automatically replying to your customers on the Facebook Messenger according to the base you have provided. And now you don't have to manually send the text or the messages or the replies to your customers, because this automation is going to help you, and it is going to save your time so that you can focus on growth of your business, not on these manual tasks, as Pabbly Connect is there for you. So you can also create an automation like this for any brand or business you are running, and for that you have to use Pabbly Connect. And I have provided the link of the workflow which I have recently created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And if you face any doubts or challenges, then don't forget to mention it in the comment section, and make sure to use the coupon code STUYT for getting heavy discounts. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.